Da kajing yang klaim akor ha Shillong kabla penjur ya kajing daheng kali u CEO ka Shillong Cantonment Board u Ayush Moria ula penti kena ban Pynshitom ting persya ya Kiba Pynieng kali Beain hakik jaka ke Cantonment. Ulama ham ba ondan kuna ya Kiba Pynkhen ya ka an khamtam ya kitu Kiba shimdor palat ban ya ka balabu lani ba yeng hakik jaka ba myo jingben. Umur ya ulo ong ba kadai ban yasulok bat kipat ba shwa ban ay ya kajaka ban Pynieng kali bat ulama ham ba kinu kiba Pynkhen ya kian kin syadan kuna.
See, as of now, there is no such proposal. State governments definitely this issue of traffic congestion is a big one in Shillong, as we all know. So, state government is trying to have proper designated parking spots. As of now, there is no active consideration inside cantonment area. But as and when requests come from state government, we will consider it. It has to be dealt with. There are multiple stakeholders. The Defence Officer, Guwahati Circle, DO Circle is there. Army is involved. So every stakeholder needs to take into consideration before giving any land on parking.
Mentangin ipet ya